Ciao, lovelies. Hey, I wanted to check in. I'm heading out to my hammock and wanted to go over what we're going to be doing in the A Journey with Mirrors workshop. Thought I'd let you guys know and give you a little outline of what I've decided to do. Right now, I'm looking at 3 different ways to look into a mirror at yourself. One of them does not involve looking in the mirror at all, so if that is uncomfortable for you, you don't have to worry about it. The first one, just to make this easy, I'm going to go over a little bit about what working with mirrors is, where it came from, some basics. I'm going to go over the psychology of why you might want to, and then we're going to do a breathing exercise. Super simple, not hard, but it's going to get you relaxed. It's going to take away the anxiety. It's going to calm you down. It's going to do all the good, yummy stuff and get you out of your head. Then I'm going to go into some of the sexual components as far as limitations and what it might mean for you to be able to actually look into a mirror again and start to feel and think differently about yourself. That's where your heart is. That's where we need to clear that up. So we're going to do a hand to heart exercise, all involving a mirror. And then we'll talk a little more. And then I'm going to do while we do the hand to heart, I'm going to do affirmations for you while you're doing the exercise. Then I'm going to talk a little bit more about it and go into deeper stuff. And then the final one is eye gazing, which means you're actually looking at yourself in the mirror. So I need you to get ready for that because it is going to happen. I need you to know now from me, 100% real talk, if you cannot look at yourself for very long in the mirror, if you can only do a second or two, that's fine. Do a second or two, look away, shake it off, and do it again. Maybe you do it for 5 seconds this time. Maybe you do it for 3 seconds. Maybe you can do it for a minute. Hi. Do you need me? Maybe you can do it for a long period of time, and that's what you really needed to do. So we are going to just know this is going to be something that you're going to need quiet. You're going to need to I have my distraction. You're going to need a quiet space, and you're going to need to take probably an hour. It may be longer depending, but you're going to need an hour with me. And this is going to be intense. Bring some Kleenex, wear comfortable clothing, find a soft spot. What is going on with you? Oh, all of a sudden we need super attention. Come here. Oh, let's see how this works. Anyways, what you need to know is that this is going to be for you and about you. And I say this probably every workshop I do, but I need you to know that when you register for the event, you get emailed the Zoom link, which means you're live with me. You're not watching the recap or buying it a couple weeks after. You're actually live with me, and you can ask questions. And then I also have a VIP option that gives you 30 minutes with me, so we can sit at a convenient time for you and work on little things, or I can help you get through the hard parts. I can help talk you through it. I can help hold space for you and be there for you during that time. There's a lot to it, and I'm really excited just to jump into mirrors, and I cannot wait to hear back from you what it does for you and how it changes your outlook. If you have any questions, my love language is comments, so I would appreciate you dropping them below. Let me know what you're looking to get out of this. Let me know if if I missed anything on the event page and I don't have all the info up and you have something you want to know about the event. Otherwise, I will drop the link to register below, and I look forward to seeing you on the 3rd. From my face to yours. I love you. Ciao.